Luis Clemente Enrique was born August 23, 1932, better known by his stage name Eddie Rodriguez, was a Filipino film actor and director. In Zamboanga City, he spent his childhood and teen years in Ana, Manila. During the Japanese occupation, with his parents and two siblings, he moved temporarily to Ragay, Camarines Sur, which was the birthplace of his mother, Rufina Clemente Enriquez. In the 1970s, Rodriguez was in a relationship with Carmen Soriano, a popular Filipino singer. He was married to Araceli Hernandez with 3 children: Sheena Natasha H. Enriquez, born 1985, Dominique Louise Enriquez, and Bianca H. Enriquez. Rodriguez died of cardiac arrest on October 12, 2001, at 11:30 p.m. Friday night, at the Medical City, Pasig. According to his daughter Sheena, her father had suffered lung cancer several years ago and one of his lungs had to be surgically removed.
Doc? Sino ba yan? Tinawagan namin ni Father na tatanong namin kung sino. Tungkol sa symptomatology and general diagnosis ng rheumatic heart.
Ayun ba? Ayaw sa bukas dadalhin ko yung pamphlet. Yun na, sandali lang. Pwede bang pakikuha mo lang yung pay envelope ko sa administration office? Kasi baka past office hours na ako makapagpunta.
Is the accused ready for the promulgation of the...
Alam kong kwento niya dahil sa pagkakalapit lang mga selde namin noon eh. Alam mo...
Huwag na lang muna kayo magsasalita. Pahinga na lang muna kayo. Baka lalo makasama ang pinagagawa ninyo eh. Nakakapit ang inyong sabihin. Iwan niyo. Ayaw kong pinagpupos ka.
Solve na kagad sila. Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
Magagawa kasi nakikita nilang sabi mo, ngunit iba-iba ang katwiran.
Salamat ha.
Simpático!
Pagkagabi ha? So Mari, kumusta si Mami ha? Opo.
Bye, Dad. Bye, Mom. Bye. Have a nice time. Bye.
Tutuloy lang po kami.
We'll try.
Ingat.
Opo. Sandali.
Okay.
Gusto mong sumama?
Ang